everyone, this is Ed Tapper back again from Mr. C's Auto Mart. We have a lot of hot cars here, but none hotter than this 2014 Dodge Charger RT 100th Anniversary Edition, a special package. It's a $4,100 add-on on a new one, giving you these custom 5-spoke, their factory 20-inch wheels, 100th anniversary badging. This 14 is 100th anniversary Dodges, and you see it has also a HEMI engine. So the HEMI engine is about 340 horsepower. It runs on regular gas, no need for premium, and it still gets 25 miles per gallon. It's a rocket ship. The color is part of the package. It's a custom color only on the 100th anniversary, high octane red, a tri-coat paint color, and really beautiful. Tinted glass, chrome, I should say black painted surround trim. The seats are clouded black leather. Excuse my shadow. A power driver's seat, 8-way power lumbar. Clouded leather is really a nice touch. You see how that looks with the texture. 100th anniversary badge, and the heat stereo. This is another part of the package. So the heat stereo gives you a 10-speaker system, along with a trunk amplifier, which we'll show you shortly. Here's your back seat, clouded leather. Really pretty. And then it has rear heated seats and rear heat vents. Red seat etching. Trunk spoiler, again part of the package. Here the exhaust, so it's a custom exhaust, and this one has a straight pipe. Now it has a catalytic converter and gas all emissions. The straight pipe is intense high performance sound. Nice spacious trunk. There's your Beats trunk amplifier. Passenger side. As you see, it's just a beautiful car. Commands a lot of attention. We have it here on the point. People stop to see it, and we just gotten it recently. It's a new arrival. See the Lumbar hood, which is a Dodge Charger feature. And then we'll go inside here, and you see the inside. The 8.4-inch radio, and then you have your climate control, so you have your heated seats and heated steering column, Bluetooth connection, compass outside temperature, and then your mileage is low, 77,800 miles, folks. So the car was driven less than, it's, if you figure it's 8 years old, less than 10,000 miles a year. It's a certified Carfax history, and it is certified by Carfax to have a clean title, and it runs great. Here's the rest of the pan on the interior. You see the clouded leather, very spiffy, red seam etching. Here's your ports for USB and AUX, cup holders, gear shift, push button start. It's an AM/FM CD. There's your CD player, and it's got a SD card reader. So we'd invite you to come by. This car is $22,977. Real special, unique, high performance car. You can see more details at MrC'sAutomart.com or call me directly at 708-473-2014. Thanks.